So while we were recording a episode of the podcast, we all decided not to do that because we got distracted with our Nerf guns. So instead of the podcast, we ended up having this epic Nerf War.
It was pretty fun.
So we recorded this footage for your entertainment.
Here it is.
What you're watching here is Vape-out Nerf edition. Oh shit!
Ow.
Oh my god! Hit my dart?
Ow.
I feel like we're on a team, Kevin.
We are.
Dan, you might as well grab the lever action.
Dad!
What?
Help me!
Help you.
How would I do that? Jason! Oh, you bastard, you stole one of my bullets.
I did. Hey. That.
I'm back. I can't get on the counter. Kevin, cover me.
I can't. I have no idea what that is.
Ah, fuck!
Oh shit, run now. Big run for it. Cover yourself. Okay, don't cover yourself.
Cover me, Kevin.
I can't! I take too long to reload. Oh my god. Are you okay?
Alright.
He's not okay. He's not
You
okay.
hit.
My shoe like slipped me.
He's not okay.
Oh, this ground is not soft at all. Where's Gary?
I don't know. Where is Gary?
Where is Gary?
He's under the fucking table.
He's under the table.
We're blowing cover, Dan.
You alright?
Oh, that fucking hurt. You get it?
I sure did.
The sheer terror.
You can have that one too. That one's fucked.
Oh! Oh!
Get off me.
Careful!
No, buddy. Gary?
Yeah.
Oh, what the fuck, Gary?
Gary killed me! You fucking killed me! Oh my god.
My knee hurts so bad.
Oh my god. Oh shit! Oh fuck!
Oh shit!
I need ammo. Get off my shit. Oh my god! You're so gay, Donovan.
We're a team, Kevin. I got cover fire, Kevin. Go. 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 Ah, you got it. Woo! Don't be the
No, I did not.
Where's the cornhole?
What? Oh my god.
The calm is always the worst part.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Frank, don't fucking do it! Don't fucking do it! The teamwork though.
You can't breathe.
Oh, I broke
We're
the
gonna need to
glass.
fire back so I can
Dude,
get
I had like this. I'm just getting scared head.
Oh. Wait, stop. Where are you going, buddy?
Oh, fuck! Hold on, time out.
Move. I know, I had way more.
Alright, ready? Ready?
No.
What are you doing? Go ahead. What are you doing? Next to each other. I have a plan.
Shut the curtains. I don't want to fetch darts out from behind the door.
It's taking our table.
Careful.
This guy. Balls of steel here. I got an idea, Gary. Come on. We gonna whip out our PPs? Yeah. Go for it.
What a bitch!
What?
What a bitch! Hold on. That doesn't count. You can't have a moving shield.
What? What are you talking about? Transparent shield, mind you. Thank you.
It got dark. It was blacked out. You hear the Nerf whistling by. Look at him! Look at him over there shooting at us! I didn't cock it! Here you go.
Love this pistol. Shit.
Shit.
Okay, I got another one in the chamber. Where they at? Where they at? Oh! Why did you not shoot? Here we go. All right. Where's the little fucking golfer fuck? Here we go. Another one. Another shot.
I see where all my
Another
humans
shot.
fucking do.
Get up, motherfucker!
Fuck!
I'm gonna have these guys go for now. I gotta fire these guys. So we're deep in this Nerf War. I only got 6 shots left. I hope Kevin has enough to cover my fire.
I got this.
We got the opposing team over there. Oh my god.
Oh shit.
No, they're loaded, ready to shoot.
They changed. They moved.
Don't shoot. Oh my goodness. Oh, they're shooting at us. Receiving fire, Kevin. Receiving fire. Take cover. Thanks. It got dark. It was blacked out. You hear the Nerf whistling by. Look at him. Look at him over there shooting at us. I didn't cock it. Here you go. Okay, I got another one in the chamber. Where are they at? Where are they at? Oh, why did you not shoot? Here we go. All right. Where's the little fucking golfer fuck? Here we go. Another one. Another shot. Another shot.
Get up, motherfucker! Alright. I'm gonna have these guys go for now. I gotta fire these guys.
Fucking hell.
That's okay. More than here. Hey, you're out.
Are we though?
Cover me.
Yeah. Run in.
Aha!
Hey, have to make it. Get some freaking ammo. Shut up.
Oh yeah, two! Damn it! Damn it! Shoot some ammo, you guys!
Oh. Oh. That's the funniest shit ever. I wasn't paying attention.
Oh, nice.
That's why we all got bum rushed. Oh my god.
We're really lacking ammo on this side of the field.
Get
But we got those bitches.
out of my ammo.
Ah! Ah!
I'm keeping score, so. No, this is just fun. This is the podcast.
You totally shot me in the head and the side.
Fire!
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Okay.
Oh god!
my face!
Oh god! Ah! I give you two of them. One between your legs. One between your legs. Of course.
Fuck you! What the fuck?
I accidentally ran into Gary. Oh.
Shoot him in the dick, Kevin!
Ow!
Shoot him in the dick, Kevin!
Back! Over battlefield! That's really glory! That's what is going on here?
Execution!
I think you killed Gary. Oh, man!
Oh man!
Is your gun loaded?
Get to bed! Things are all bad. You're gonna look back for us, Dan. I see that. No, we fought hard. I just remembered.
God style?
Yeah.
Okay.
Fuck him up, Dan. Fuck him up, Dan. Come near my weapon. This gun sucks ass.
Hey! Oh, Gary! Hey! Gary!
I'm back for the earshot. Oh.
Oh shit.
Did you break it?
Game over.
Oh, I stepped on it.
Don't do it.
Correction, I have 3 ammo.
Oh, my dick!
I lost my legs! Lieutenant Dan lost his legs!
So if you haven't noticed by this record keeping that we're doing here, is our team's actually obviously winning. But what you don't see is them screaming in their bunker. Let's get a close up.
Reloading.
I'm reloading.
Reloading.
Look at this guy. Low, right?
How does it feel that the opposition is in your face in the bunker with the camera?
Shut up.
Fuck you!
Go over here.
Right, guys, down to the final hour. We're about done with this Nerf news.
Hey, why you hitting the target bag? Dirtbag.
This is target bag, duh.
You couldn't shoot the broadside of the barn on a sunny day. Look at you missing like a little girl. Yeah,
Well, that one went off the
you got
left.
nothing on this. Fuck your face.
Shake up. Nice.
Who's whistle?
There's a whistle. I win.
Woo! Ratmakista! Yes, Mr. Ratmakista!
Hey. That didn't work.
Alright, guys. Alright, guys. I think we have a sudden death.
So the first one hit is out, right?
I fucked your mother.
Nice.
So the first one hit is out.
Check that.
So who says go? I do.
So we take
Yeah, we take
steps?
5 steps. As soon as we're both done taking 5 steps, you can say go whenever. You can make us wait, look the other way, but yeah.
So you guys can't do anything until I say go.
Correct.
Correct.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
Alright.
Donovan's out. He got shot first.
Fucking bitch.
Go.
Shit.
Yeah, got me.
Things suck.
Alright. Don't fuck this up, Gary. Alright.
You're not loaded, yeah?
And you can't look at each other.
Okay.
And you're not caught. Alright, ready? Walk.
Ah!
You ain't got Kevin, huh? Alright, Gary, you're up against the Dano.
This is technically a pistol.
I hit my.
Alright. Start walking.
Ah, I got shot. Got shot right in the PP. He shot me in the PP.
Fucking OP Dan!
Undefeated. I think it's that gun. I think it's that gun.
Trade.
It's so accurate.
So let's run.
Win.
It's hard to see through the fog of war.
Win.
When?
Let's go.
Gary, don't look back.
Ready.
You don't need to say ready.
Set.
It's fucked.
Go. No. It's on the gunshot.
Hey, you guys!
Who's that?
Ryan.
Who? Ryan?
Ryan!
Shoot the ball! Quick! Go!
Dude!
Go! Shoot each other!
I got you.
I shot the exit sign. I shot forward and it went up and hit the exit.
Yeah, it's just that good. Let him in. Let him in.
Oh, yeah.
Someone beamed him in the face. That was great.
That's so close.
So, that was our little fun. Everyone has to have shenanigans every now and then. Hopefully you guys thought it was entertaining as well. Till next time.
Vapor's gonna vape.
What was gone?
Fucking damn.